Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video of the Corsair Vengeance SODIMM DDR4 memory. This is two pieces of memory, 2x16, 32 gigabytes in total, so DDR4 SODIMM. This version is especially for laptops. So, but you also have computers that also use SODIMM, but for normal computers, mostly the memory is from another size. It's a little bit bigger. So I will show you. I think you open it like this. Okay, voila. So this is inside of it. The part numbers you can see in the description, but I also will show it to you here. So this is the part number. It's an entire text. It's not small, so you can pause the video if you want. I'll show you the box. Voila, you can pause the video. And this is the memory. So this is SODIMM memory. So you can put it in your laptop. The number, the serial number is also on it. But you can also check my description. So yeah, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, televisions, and so on. You only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. And don't forget to like the video also. Thank you.